Hey there, manifestors. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of manifestation and explore techniques that can truly transform your life. Today, I want to share with you a powerful trick that has helped millions of people worldwide attract the things they desire. It's a technique straight from the teachings of the great Neville Goddard. Now, I know there are countless manifestation techniques circulating both on the internet and offline. But let me tell you, not all tricks are created equal. In this video, I'm going to reveal the one trick that has consistently shown remarkable results. It's a time-tested method that can bring your desires to life faster than you can imagine. So, here's the deal. If you want to see your desires manifesting into reality in no time, you've got to follow this exact process. It's simple, yet incredibly powerful. Trust me, it's worth sticking around till the end of the video. If you're new to our channel, I want to extend a warm welcome to you. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more motivational and informative videos on manifestations. Together, we're going to dive deep into the world of manifesting, uncovering secrets, and unlocking the power within you. So, are you ready to embark on this incredible journey? Great! Let's make your dreams a reality. Stay tuned till the end and get ready to manifest your desires like never before. Let's get started. In the first section, we're going to explore a profound technique that can help you do just that, harnessing the power of I am. Imagine just by uttering two simple words, you have the power to manifest your desired reality. In just 10 seconds, you can shift your entire existence. Welcome to a world where the words I am hold extraordinary potential. We live in a universe where we have the capacity and power to shape our surroundings to be exactly what we want them to be. The law of attraction teaches us that you are what you think you are. It all traces back to those two powerful words, I am. Throughout history, they have heralded the dawn of innovative eras and transformative shifts in our world fabric. And now, they hold the key to manifesting your reality. To manifest your desired reality, it's essential to direct your consciousness through the deliberate use of I am. These two words hold within them the core substance that Neville Goddard spoke of in his profound teachings. When you use I am consciously, you tap into the essence of who you truly are. You align your thoughts, emotions, and energy with the reality you wish to create. It's an act of empowerment and self-recognition. I am is a simple yet extraordinary affirmation that holds immense creative power. It is a declaration of your true essence and a direct connection to the universe's limitless potential. By consciously using I am, you are activating this powerful law of attraction. You're commanding the universe to respond to your intentions and bring them to life. As you repeatedly affirm I am statements that reflect your desired reality, you begin to see miraculous changes unfold. Opportunities manifest, relationships deepen, and abundance flows effortlessly. When you say I am, you are affirming and embodying your deepest desires, beliefs, and intentions. It's a way to align your thoughts, emotions, and energy with the reality you wish to manifest. Remember, the key to harnessing the power of I am lies in consistency and unwavering belief. Affirmations like I am abundant, I am successful, or I am love create a vibrational match between your desired reality and your present experience. When you truly embrace the power of I am, you begin to see positive shifts in your life. Opportunities align, relationships flourish, and abundance flows effortlessly. So how can you start harnessing the power of I am in your daily life? Begin by affirming your desires with conviction and emotion. Visualize yourself already living in the reality you wish to create. Additionally, infuse gratitude into every I am statement. Express appreciation for the experience as if it has already been manifested. This amplifies the manifestation process and brings even greater results. In this section, let's discuss the transformative power of I am affirmations. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities and tap into your true potential. First, let's start by redefining how we introduce ourselves. Instead of focusing on age or what we are attempting to do, let's ground our identity in our accomplishments. Embrace the power of stating who you are and what you have achieved. Now, let's explore the magic of replacing I want with I am. This simple shift in language can be a game changer when it comes to manifesting your desired reality. By declaring affirmations such as I am successful, I am wealthy, I am joyful, you empower and liberate your desires. To achieve the best results, it's important to say these affirmations with unwavering conviction. Feel the truth behind each word as you speak them aloud. And remember, it's not just about speaking. It's about acting with purpose in alignment with your affirmations. Repetition is the key to forming new beliefs and enhancing self-awareness. Consider incorporating positive statements into your bedtime routine or during moments of meditation. This practice amplifies the impact of the affirmations as you connect with your deeper self. Another powerful technique is to act out scenarios that embody your desired identity. By purposefully stepping into the role of your future self, you shift your perception and boost your confidence levels. This internal shift transforms your external reality. Affirmations work beyond the realm of the tangible. They resonate in a field where multiple realities coexist. As you consistently affirm your desired reality, you align yourself with the vibration of that reality, bringing it closer to your present experience. When done correctly, affirming I am begins to emit vibrations that ripple out into the universe. These vibrations create a magnetic force that attracts the changes you seek. Your desires become within reach as the universe responds to your energetic signals. So, my friend, embrace the power of I am affirmations and witness the incredible transformations that unfold within and around you. Remember, you have the ability to shape your reality and manifest your dreams. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content on personal growth and manifestation. Thank you for watching, and may your I am affirmations guide you towards a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. We would love to hear from you. Please feel free to share your comments, thoughts, or any doubts you may have in the comment box below. Additionally, if you have any personal experiences or stories related to manifestation that you'd like to share, we would be thrilled to hear them. With your permission, we may even include them in our future videos. Your feedback and contributions are incredibly valuable to us as we strive to create content that aligns with your needs and interests. Until we meet in our next video, may God bless you in your successful manifestation journey ahead.